Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's December the 8th, which means we are even closer to Christmas. Without any time wasting, it is time to open door number 8 on the Lookfantastic advent calendar. I am really excited to see once again what I get in this box because so far so good. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment. I am so ready for some deep conditioning of this hair because it is so dry at this time of year. Before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and apply in sections. Work into hair with fingertips, cover with a shower cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. The longer the better, and then rinse well. So this is basically like a hair conditioning mask. It's a decent size because it's not a little sachet, but the problem I have is because I have so much hair, I always feel like I'm just gonna lather this onto my hair and then have, say, none left in here because I go a little bit wild with hair masks because I am not a believer in a little bit goes a long way. A super moisturizing and highly concentrated formula, this cult hair mask smooths each individual hair strand to incredible silkiness. Apply to damp hair before shampooing, leaving on hair for a minimum of 20 minutes. I have never heard of this and they have described it as a cult product. I have heard of Philip Kingsley before. I have used a Philip Kingsley dry shampoo in the past, and also I believe I've used a heat protection spray, but I have never seen the Elasticizer hair mask before. So I'm a little bit intrigued to give this a go to see if that really does help my dry hair. Please ignore the fact that I haven't straightened it and it just looks like I've had a hair tie in it. It actually doesn't smell of anything, but it looks very shiny from the tiny bit that's come out of the top. It looks quite a shiny formula. It's nice that it isn't perfumed because I think the perfume and the alcohol that is in perfume can really be drying on the skin and the hair. I imagine this, if I use it sparingly, will go a long way. I just need to trust what it says in the bottle and use a little bit in sections on the hair and then go from there and see how little I can use on my hair by following the instructions of sectioning my hair. I'm not very good at following hair care instructions, I will be entirely honest. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. You need to hit the notification bell button on my profile and subscribe so that you are told every time I make an upload, especially my daily uploads, so you don't have to keep checking back. Turn those notifications on and you will be able to catch up with me every day, opening up my Lookfantastic advent calendar. Please pop back tomorrow because tomorrow I will be uploading day number 9. It's very exciting. I hope that it makes you brighten your day with a short video, and I will see you tomorrow hopefully. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!